Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making this beautiful and creamy blue and 3 milk gelatin dessert. Look at this guy, it's awesome. I have here a cup and a half of hot water. Let's make sure we dissolve it very well. This is good. I'm gonna go ahead and put 1 cup of cold water. The package directions say to use a cup and a half of cold water and a cup and a half of hot water, but I decided to use less cold because I want this to get nice and firm, and also I want to keep the blue color nice and vibrant. So remember, the less water, the less you dilute it. So that's why I'm using 1 cup of cold water. This feel like it's mixed well, so I'm gonna go ahead and put it aside just for a second. I just want to let you know I'm using this beautiful ocean water blue gelatin. It's not only that it's going to make the dessert look beautiful, but also taste and smell awesome because of the lime and lemon in it. I'm using this silicone dish, baking pan to make it, which is awesome because I like this style. I want it to be round. It's a beautiful way, a beautiful presentation. So now that we already greased the pan, we're going to go ahead and transport the gelatin. I don't want it too thick, so I'm going to go ahead and save some of this. I'm going to be using a dish to place this on it because it's easier to manage that way. The silicone can be a little soft and bubbly. We don't want that, especially later when we get this out. I'm going to be putting this right now in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. But you guys keep an eye on your gelatin because depending on the temperature on your refrigerator, you just go 20 minutes later and you can put your finger on it. And if you feel it nice and sticky, that's when it's done because you don't want it to be too firm, but you don't want it too loose. Too firm, the next layer won't stick to it, and then too loose, it will go through it and it will mess up the whole dessert. So let's go ahead and put it in the refrigerator. Guys, let's go ahead and start making the 3 milk mixture now for this beautiful gelatin. So what I'm going to do, I have the unflavored gelatin. I have a little package of 7 grams. We are going to hydrate this. I'm using 4 packages because of the amount of milk that we're going to be using. We're going to let this sit for about 5 minutes. So let's put it aside. Here we go. The blue gelatin came out nice. This is what we are looking for. You see that my finger is clean, but you can feel the softness in it. That means that it's perfect. Right now, it's firm enough. I'm going to go ahead and put some almonds into this. My husband loves nuts. I do too. So we're going to go ahead and put some almonds all around here in between the layers. I'm using 1.5 cup of heavy cream. A can of condensed milk. A can of evaporated milk. Let's mix it all together. Let's put about half a teaspoon of vanilla just to enhance the flavor. That's gonna be awesome. Okay, now I'm just adding the flavored gelatin to the mixture. Nice and easy. Just remember to always use a tool like a spatula or a spoon because you don't want to just go ahead and throw it in because that would kind of probably break through the blue gelatin or any gelatin you use for base. Remember, I put almonds into this beautiful dessert. I put it in both. Okay guys, we are ready to put this dessert in the refrigerator, and I want to leave it overnight because I'm going actually to work tonight and I don't have to rush. You can do this in about 3 to 4 hours depending on your refrigerator temperature. Let's go ahead and put this dish uh, in the fridge. Guys, it's time to get a beautiful dessert out of the fridge. Let's see what it looks like. Awesome. So I left it overnight, and right now it's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. It's been in the fridge for about 17 hours, which is a long time. Perfect. Remember, I did put nuts on top. I put some almonds, and it looks beautiful. Look at that. And it smells so good with the vanilla that I put in it. The vanilla extract is awesome. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to use this tray. I already separated to make it easier. And we're going to go ahead and turn it. So let's see. Because we need to be very, very careful because it's wobbly. But guys, are we ready? Yes. Now let's go ahead and put the tray back on the base. There you go. Let's move this away. I'm just giving it a minute and let's see what it looks like. Oh, so pretty. Wow. Look at that. Oh my goodness, guys. Awesome. This is beautiful. Guys, let's go ahead and try this beautiful dessert. I'm gonna cut a nice piece right here. Look at those beautiful layers. Wow, it set perfectly. It's nice, firm, but still creamy. Let's go ahead and try it. Mmm. Mmm. It's so good. Mmm. It's sweet, creamy, and refreshing. Wow, what a wonderful treat. I recommend you guys to try it. I hope you do. And if you do, please let me know what you think in the comment box. I thank you for watching until the end and for your support. Thank you so much. Please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and share my videos. And before you go, make sure you check the next video. You're going to love it. God bless. Let's eat.